Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I want to tutorial but I need I have test from my English teacher. Okay. First, let's open the Windows Make Code Microbit. Okay. Second, open new project and create a project. And okay. Third, you can open new tab and search it the TinyBit GitHub. Okay, this TinyBit GitHub. Okay, you can copy it, the link, and go to the intention.
Search or
And copy it, paste it, and pick the TinyBit, this one, and we need the TinyBit here. Expense small ER. Okay, this one TinyBit here. You can see it, GitHub. Okay. The basic at the icon and the string. You can choose the icon. See, I choose this, and you can name it. Okay. Go to the TinyBit here, V15. Connect air receive to P. We have this happy 12 20. Okay, go to pick the PH. Okay, I will make a code for him work. Go to TinyBit here, drag on button, press it, change to up, and go to TinyBit, drag a car control speed to right. Speed is 1000. Okay, go to basic, click pause EMS. Okay, this is 1000, and go to the TinyBit, drag the car control, and choose the change to go to the stop. Okay, this for him to turn left. Okay, we need the on button, press it, change to the left. Okay, go to TinyBit, need the car control speed run, change to 1000. This from left, and we need the pause image. Okay, go to TinyBit, drag car control, change to stop. Okay, this from him to turn right. Okay, we need the on button, press it. Go to change to right, and we need the car control speed. This 1000. Change to right, and we need the pause image. To basic, drag and go to TinyBit. Need the car control stop, change to stop. Okay, this from him stop. We need the on button, press it. Okay, change to down. Okay, we need car control speed, pause image, and the car control stop. This stop, is and car control speed. This is stop. This 17. Oh, 17. Okay, we need to for his sound, robot sound. Okay, we need one on button press it, change to beep, and we need to go to music, choose the ringtone, just the sound. Okay, and we need pause image. And we need RIS MS 1/4, change to 1/4. Yes, 1/4 bit. And this for the like robot. Okay, we need one button preset, change to like. Okay, we need tiny bit and RGB color big font. You can change the color: red, green, blue, white, cyan, pinkish, yellow. I will choose the red, and we need the pause image. Okay, blue and blue, cyan, and yellow. Okay, this for recording a tiny bit remote control. Okay, you can connect it to the device or you download as file. Download as file. Okay, reload it. Okay, if you don't download it, you can try it to the tiny bit. Okay, this is all for me. Sorry if there are mistake. I'm so apologize. See you next time to video. Bye guys. Bye.